Forgotten username recovery failed on Cleo Insights Fix. If you've been struggling to recover your Cleo Insights username, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because Cleo now uses your registered email or phone number instead of a traditional username. The surprising truth is that trying to guess usernames almost never works and just wastes time. Here's the solution. Step 1. Open the Cleo app or website and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email or phone number associated with your account. This allows Cleo to securely verify your identity. Step 2. If you don't have access to your registered email or phone, you need to complete identity verification. Prepare your full name, date of birth, and any account-specific information. This ensures only you can regain access. Step 3. After verification, follow the prompts to reset your password. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if the recovery email doesn't appear right away. Step 4. If the recovery process fails, contact Cleo support directly. Explain that username recovery failed and provide the necessary personal information. Their team will guide you safely through the process. Many users assume losing a username is a permanent lockout, but Cleo switched to email and phone-based login to improve security and simplify access. By following these steps, you'll quickly regain access. Focus on your registered email or phone, verify your identity when needed, and you'll be back using Cleo Insights confidently and without stress.